Babe, you know what, listen. And you, if anything happens to me, my wife, or my house, I'm gonna shoot you. Let's go. Get the heck out of my house! Permission to fall out, too. Wait. Sorry, get the heck out of my house! See that? This is coming out of the salad. Just walk! Show me that. Hey, get out. Come back here, pack this nonsense up! Oh, my son, you're going to talk about it.